Before you buy another Forex robot, ask yourself one honest question. How many times are you prepared to pay for a new robot every time you need a different strategy? One robot for trading markets, another for gold, another for breakout, another for grid trading. Before long, you have spent hundreds or thousands of dollars, and half of those robots are sitting unused in a folder because nobody explained when to use them or how to set them up. That is the biggest problem in the Forex robot industry. Traders keep buying isolated products with no connection between them, no proper support, and no clear explanation of what each system was built to do. That is exactly why I created the ForexDominant Elite Vault. The Elite Vault is not another single robot claiming to work in every market. It is a complete access package, the eligible paid robots on ForexDominant, the systems inside the Strategy Vault, exclusive robot reserved for elite members, setup assistance, and eligible updates, all under one package. You make one payment and receive lifetime access under the Elite Vault license terms. Now, let's talk about why one robot is not enough in the Forex market, or why you need to choose the right robot. The market does not behave in one fixed way. Sometimes it trends, sometimes it ranges, sometimes volatility explodes, and sometimes price breaks out and immediately reverses. A trend robot behaves differently in a ranging market. A gold robot is built differently from a system trading a slower pair. A scalper depends on spread and session. Every real strategy has strength and weakness. The one magical robot that wins in every situation does not exist. The purpose of the vault is not to attach every system to one account at once. The purpose is options. Study the robots, understand what each was built for, test them under the right conditions, and choose the one that matches your account, your risk tolerance, and your expectations. What is inside? First, you get access to the eligible paid robot currently on ForexDominant, a growing collection that normally sells individually, some for around $100, others for several hundred each. They cover trend following, grid management, breakouts, momentum, supply and demand, range detection, edging, scalping, and pair-specific trading. Second, you get the Strategy Vault, automated systems built around different trading ideas, moving averages, reversals, market structure, swing trading, indicator-based entries like RSI, MACD, or Bollinger Bands, time-based entries, candle conditions, and more. These are also normally sold one at a time. The exact number of systems will change as products are added, improved, or replaced. Do not join because of a number on the screen. The real value is access to a growing library of different approaches without paying for each one separately. On top of everything, on the website, elite members receive exclusive systems that are not sold on ordinary product pages. At the time of recording, these are the Power EA and XAU Robot EA. A Power EA is built around structured market analysis. It identifies potential supply and demand areas, analysis direction, and waits for a suitable opportunity instead of opening random trades every few pips. Depending on the version and settings, it can also apply structured trade management. Now, let's talk about the XAU robots. Now, gold moves fast. Spreads widen, volatility spikes, news hits hard. The XAU robot was built specifically for that environment with its own entry logic, risk controls, and trade management. Neither robot is a guaranteed money machine like every real strategy. They will have winning trades, losing trades, and drawdown, which is exactly why settings, testing, and risk management matter. Why not sell this separately, you may ask? Because if everything exclusive can be bought individually, membership means nothing. Because some systems need proper setup help, not just a file, And because this industry is full of copycats and scammers selling fake versions, so we protect our work and deliver access in a controlled way. With most robot sellers, you get a file and the seller disappears. You are left guessing where to install it, what the inputs mean, and why it is not trading. That is not the Elite Vault experience. Under the applicable terms, we help you install each robot on the correct platform, understand the basic settings, activate the license, and get set up on your own trading environment. Support is available through the official ForexDominant contact channels for downloads, installation, license issues, and common problems. To be completely clear, we never trade on your behalf, never take control of your funds, and never ask you to send trading capital to us. Your money stays with your broker. The robots are tools you run on your own account, and the decision to trade and the risk you take remains yours. At the time of recording, each eligible robot comes with one demo activation and one live activation, unless otherwise stated. The license is personal, no sharing, reselling, redistributing, or reverse engineering. If you need extra activations, contact us to confirm availability and any fee. One practical note: some systems are built for MetaTrader 4 and some for MetaTrader 5, some for both. The platform use different, file formats and are not interchangeable. So always check the platform on each product page before installing. The same robot can produce completely different results with different settings. A bigger lot size raises profits and losses. A tighter grid opens more positions. Removing a stop loss changes the entire risk profile. The most profitable looking backtest setting is often just the one that took the most risk. So here is how I recommend using the vault. Choose one robot based on the market or strategy that interests you, not the highest backtest profit. Read what it actually does: grid, trend, scalping, edging, martingale, supply and demand. Install it on a demo account with the recommended pair and time frame. Watch it over a meaningful period. Never judge a system on one trade. Ask whether you could genuinely tolerate its drawdown with real money, and remember, live results can be worse than the historical test. Then start small with conservative risk and keep monitoring the platform connections, the VPS, the broker symbol settings, and whether the robot is behaving according to its rules. Automation reduces screen time. It does not remove your responsibility. Membership includes eligible customization support, reasonable adjustments to existing robots, such as input options, a simple account control, or a supported feature change, a completely new strategy, or a major redesign is a separate project, quoted separately. So if you really need customization, you can also let us know. The Vault is a long-term package. Eligible updates and eligible future additions are included under the current terms, and members are notified when new system enter the Vault. But I'll be precise: joining does not mean every product ForexDominant ever creates is automatically included forever. Some future work may be separate services, custom client projects, or products that need their own license. I would rather be exact now than make a promise you misunderstand later. The Elite Vault may be right for you if you understand Forex involves risk, you want access to different automated approaches instead of buying robots one at a time. You are willing to test on a demo before going live, and you see automation as a long-term tool, not a get-rich-quick scheme. Do not join if you need guaranteed profits, plan to trade money you cannot afford to lose, expect every robot to win every trade, want us to manage your account, intent to copy or resell the files or refuse to test on a demo first, not a signal group and not a magic button that removes risk. It is a collection of tools, systems, and support. It cannot replace discipline and it cannot control the market. The current price of the Elite Vault is $2,999. One-time payment. Lifetime access under the applicable terms. The price may change as the collection grows, so always check the official website, not an old YouTube video for the current offer. But hear me on this. Do not join because of a big value number on the screen. You do not need to use every robot and you should not attach them all to one account. The value is having the right option available when you need it. Start with one system, learn it, then explore another one when you have a reason to. After payment, you receive your access link, download, license activation instructions, setup, documentation, the list of included systems and support contacts. If a license requires activation, you may be asked for your demo and live account numbers, the account number, not your password. Never send a broker password unless it is genuinely required for an agreed remote setup session. And always confirm you are using an official ForexDominant channel. And one warning, buy only from ForexDominant.com. People impersonate us on Telegram, WhatsApp, and social media. Do not send money to a personal account for a cheaper copy and never download cracked EAs. A modified file can carry malware, steal passwords, or trade completely different from the original with no support and no license protection. Forex trading involves a high level of risk and may not be suitable for all investors. Automated systems do not guarantee profit and can produce substantial losses. Past performances, including backtests, screenshots, verified reports, and demo results, is not a reliable indicator of future performance. Spreads, commission, slippage, leverage, platform issues, and your settings all affect results. Some robots use grid, edging, recovery, or martingale style management, which can create significant drawdown. Only trade with funds you can afford to lose. ForexDominant provides trading software, technical support, and educational information only, not investment advice, account management, or guaranteed returns. Let me end honestly. Joining the Elite Vault will not automatically, make you a successful trader. Some systems will have drawdown. Some market conditions will be difficult. You will still need patience, discipline, and risk management. But if you are tired of buying isolated robots one at a time, if you want one package with the paid robot, the strategy vault systems, the exclusive member-only robots, setup, support, and eligible updates, then the Elite Vault may be exactly what you have been looking for. Visit the official Elite Vault page, review what is currently included, read the terms and the risk warning, check the current price, and ask any questions before you pay. When you are ready, click the button below to join.